Hi, let's see how to show message on the screen in Unreal Engine. We'll do it using widget blueprint. So we need to add this blueprint user interface, this one widget blueprint. Okay, accept it. And give the name simply message. Set the size. For example, full HD, it would be enough. We need some text. Okay, set it on full screen. Justification. Give some text, for example, done. Set the size of it. Excellent. Compile. Save. We got it. And now simply display it. Open level blueprint. Start, so just event begin play. Now we need to create our widget. We need to set them with message. Exactly. So we need to display message. And just add this to the viewport. Just simply add viewport, probably exactly. Set our widget. And I think that this should be enough. Just check it. Perfect. So we can display our message. But what is also important, we can also show or display this message for 5 seconds, 9 seconds. We can set this. So go back to our level blueprint. We can show this, for example, for about, we need delay. Okay, 7 seconds, it will be enough. Got it. And later we simply remove it from parent. Our widget. So our widget should be displayed, and after 7 seconds it should disappear. Just check it. Perfect. So everything works. Thanks for watching. In case of any comment, please write in the comments. Bye.